Hi guys, welcome back to another cooking video. So in today's video I am going to be showing you how I make this delicious stockfish stew. If you are interested, continue watching and let's get started. Here are the stockfish that I'm going to be using for this recipe. As you can see, I have two types of stockfish here. This one is a little bit soft, while the other one is very hard. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to soak the hard one inside hot water for about 30 minutes. I'm also going to be using this fish you are seeing here. I'm just going to go ahead to clean up my fish. It's time for me to marinate the fish with some salt. I'm just going to marinate this fish very well. I'm going to use the salt to rub the fish. Then I'll cover the fish. I will allow the fish to marinate for about 15 minutes. So guys, I'm going to list everything that I use for this recipe. I'm just going to list it in the description box below so you can check it out if you want to make this recipe. I'm just going to leave it for 15 minutes now. I will be using some red bell pepper, dehydrated bell peppers, scotch bonnet, onions, garlic, ginger, and some fresh tomatoes. I'm going to blend everything together. Now I'm going to be frying my fish, but before I fry my fish, I'm just going to be frying these onions and garlic. Guys, this will add more taste to the fish and give it that nice aroma. I love it so much when I fry my onions and garlic together before I fry my fish. Just give it a try. You tell me in the comment section how your own comes out. So now I will be adding the fish to the oil. I'm just going to leave this fish to fry. So as you can see, my fish is well fried. I'm just going to take the fish out of the oil, then I will set it aside for later. Here is my blended vegetables. As you can see, I did not boil my tomatoes or steam it. I did not do any of those stuff. Continue watching and see how I'm going to make my stew. So here in my pot, I'm going to be adding that same oil that I used to fry my fish. That will add more taste to the stew. I'm going to be sauteing my onions for about 2 minutes. So now I'll be adding all the vegetables that I blend together. So guys, I don't know if you noticed, in this video I did not use any tomato paste, and also I did not boil my tomatoes or the vegetables. I did not steam anything. I'm going to tell you why as we are cooking our stew. Continue watching. I'll be adding some curry, nutmeg, maggi, salt, white pepper, and I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of shrimp powder. So guys, I make this shrimp powder myself. I'm going to be leaving the link on the screen so you can check the video out. So now I'm going to be adding some bay leaves. So as I said before, this recipe I did not add any tomato paste and I did not boil the tomatoes or the vegetables that I blend together, just for one simple reason, because I'm going to be cooking the stockfish inside this stew like that, because I'm going to cook it for about 1 hour 20 minutes, so that the stew will penetrate very well inside the stockfish. So when you are eating the stockfish, guys, believe me, you will feel that stew inside your stockfish is so delicious. Try it out and let me know in the comment section. So guys, I'm just going to cover it and I'll allow it to cook. So if this is your first time in my channel, you're welcome. My name is Shade. Feel free to watch this video, and please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Set the notification bell to all so that you never miss any of my upcoming videos. Thank you. So guys, I'm just going to give it a nice stir, and when you are cooking your stew, please don't cook it with a high heat. Just put your stove in a medium heat so that your stew will not get burned. I'm just going ahead to check my stew. You need to check your stew time to time. Give it a nice stir so that your stew will not get burnt at the bottom. Hey, for my old returnees, thank you for always coming back. You guys know I really love you guys. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Please share my video to your friends and family. So it's time for me to add my fried fish. Yes, so add your fried fish and just leave the stew to cook for another 10 minutes. Then your stew is ready, guys. Trust me out of this. This stew was so delicious, and you can use this stew to eat rice, plantain, yam, beans, potatoes, anything you think of, you can use it to eat it. Just give it a try, but let me know how your own comes out. So just leave it in the comment section and let me know how your own comes out. If you have watched to this minute, thank you so much. I really appreciate the fact that you guys always come back to watch my videos. And if this is your first time, please hit that subscribe button, because in this channel we make a lot of delicious recipes, so you will not want to miss any of those recipes. Thank you. So here is the final result. I'm just going to be serving my stew, and I'll use it to eat white rice, guys. Trust me, this stew was so delicious. You don't want to miss this kind of stew. So give it a try and let me know in the comment section. I'm going to see you in my next video with another delicious recipe. I love you all, guys. I love you so much, and I'm going to see you again in my next video. Bye bye. Ciao.